अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है श्वेता,
मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं फर्स्ट रमजान उमरा एज अ ब्रिटिश मुस्लिम।
ओए ओके, चलिए देखते हैं फाइनली। काबा,
बिस्मिल्लाह, अल्लाहु अकबर।
राउंड देखो।
Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Inshallah you're all well. Today I'm with Isa again. Say assalamu alaikum, Isa. As you can see, we are wearing ihram. So today we're going to be doing umrah, inshallah. It will be the first umrah of this Ramadan actually. So it should be a pretty special one. Haram is behind me, right here. So let's go, shall we? Yallah. There is the Kaaba. We have come down. It's actually not that busy, surprisingly. Like, this is Ramadan, you do expect it to be super busy. We have come sort of at a good time, and as I said, the weather is kind of strange, so I guess that stopped some people from coming, but look at it behind me. It's also amazing to see every time. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. So right now we are doing our tawaf, which if you don't know is you go around the Kaaba, you go around it 7 times. So we are now on our first of 7. Now, as I said, because it is Ramadan, I was expecting it to be a bit busier. Like, it's always busy here, but I was expecting it to be more busy. So this is nice. Allahu Akbar, that is 2 done, 3 done, 2 done. 3, 2, 2. I just realized that I should not have these on my head because you shouldn't really have anything on your head. So sorry about that, completely passed my mind, but we're still making tawaf. Allahu Akbar, 3 done. Honestly though, I would rather have this very sort of cloudy weather than when the sun is out and just beating on you. It can be really difficult. So this is actually quite nice. Allahu Akbar, that is 4 done. That is what, 5 done. Allahu Akbar. So that's our second last one. We only have 1 left now. 1 more to go. We are done with our tawaf. Hooray.
Hooray!
Okay, so yeah, we have done our tawaf. Now we need to find somewhere to pray our 2 rak'ah, and then we move on to Safa and Marwa. But it's gone busier and busier sort of as we've gone along, so it might be tough to find a place. Okay, we found a place to pray. Very nice, right in front of the clock tower and the Kaaba. So we are now going to pray here.
Okay.
Whoa! I don't know why I did it like that, but just a quick pause here. I don't ask this often, but if you guys could just go down and subscribe to this channel, that would mean a lot to me. It's just 1 tap on your screen, 1 click with your mouse, and it really does help me out a lot. It's free, so if you guys could just go tap the subscribe button 1 time, that would mean a lot to me. And yeah, sorry for the break. Back to the video now. That's Zamzam that they're transporting in there. So now we're really on what is section 2 of Umrah, which is Safa and Marwa, where you go between the 2 mountains, Safa and Marwa, a total of 7 times. So now we are of course on our first go, so we have 7 ways to go back and forth. And there are certain parts that you run at. We'll come to those now. I'm sure Isa will be trying to race me there. So this here is what I'm talking about. Under the green lights, all the men are supposed to run. So Isa is gonna wanna run for sure, and he's gonna wanna race me, aren't you? He's gonna beat me. I'm never gonna hear the end of this. No. Literally ever since he's been like 4 years old. When it comes to that, he always wants to race me every single time.
But we'll keep the scores. We'll keep the scores.
Okay.
1-0 to me.
It's 1-0 to you. But yeah, this is Safa and Marwa, and we are still on our first go. Okay, so that's our first of 7 done. And for those of you who are wondering or interested, the mountain's actually still inside the masjid itself. So this right here is Marwa, and then when we get to the other side, I can show you Safa. But this is the actual mountain right here inside the masjid.
It's the original one.
Yeah.
I thought it was plastic.
No, that's the actual mountain.
I didn't know that.
The more you know. I think what confused you is it's kind of coated in like this protective coating. So you're not touching the actual rocks, but it is the actual mountain inside the masjid, which is pretty cool. Let's go, we're on our second one now. The green bit where you run is just there. Isa, you're already preparing to race. Why do you care so much?
Too old.
This is not good. This is not good. This place is getting so much busier, so we really need to get these done before it completely packs out. It might be hard to get to it, but that right there, that is the second mountain, Safa. But I can't really get to it. It's getting far too busy now. We're actually going to the second floor of Safa and Marwa because it's getting so busy down there. Anything to add?
I'm not wearing shoes.
That's the game. That's the game.
He just ran out of the door. I was like, why is he gone? And then I just see him running back.
How competitive I am, it's actually funny. I think an important thing to keep in mind is, because we're doing this in Ramadan, basically everyone here is fasting. I'm fasting, of course, which means no eating, no drinking, while you're doing this whole Umrah, which isn't, to be honest, it's not an easy task to do. So I think it's quite amazing that everyone here is joining together to do it while they're all fasting, which just makes it more difficult, but inshallah more reward as well. Now just relax, just relax.
I got stuck.
This is so silly. 2-2.
How many have we done?
Done 4, almost. Once we've gone to the end there, that's 4 done. What is it, do you think, that makes you want to beat me so bad?
What is it that makes you want to beat me?
I'm the older brother, I should win. See you running up.
I don't want to talk about it. I need to win 2 in a row now.
This is so silly. Oh gosh. 3-2.
I would have won if
3-2. Okay, so that is 5 done. So only 2 left. Only 2 left, Isa. So Isa, if you don't get this one, it's all over.
3-3.
This is not good. That means the next one wins. There's only 1 goal between Safa and Marwa left until we finish our Umrah. And one of the amazing things about doing Umrah during Ramadan is it's actually equivalent to doing Hajj with the Prophet ﷺ with him, which is really amazing, and it's really a blessing that we're able to come up so easily and do Umrah basically anytime we want during Ramadan. It really is nice living here and living so close. The final one. 3-2. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. How do you feel, Isa? So yeah, we're almost with that. We're almost done with our Safa and Marwa. We just need to get to the end back there. Okay, so with that, we've arrived to the end and we are done, Isa.
I'm so tired.
Tower.
We really got a good time to do it actually because it is boiling hot right now.
I'm so thirsty because of the sun.
This is pretty cool actually. They've started planting like these plants on the pillars. I guess they're trying to make the place more green and stuff, but it's a really good idea. Okay, so we got a guy. There's always people trying to get you to cut your hair with them. We're going with this guy. He had a good price. So we're now going to go and cut our hair, inshallah. Ready to get your hair cut, Isa?
I'm 100% ready to leave.
Sometimes, to be honest, the cutting of the hair can be more difficult than the whole Umrah. Assalamu alaikum. Magasa, Galil. I'm ready for the haircut of my life. I'm in Britannia.
بريطانيا.
Yes.
عربي ماله؟
ايوه اردو لا. La, la. Now, when you're getting your haircut, you can get all different lengths. I'm only getting a little off. صح؟ قليل. Okay, very good. How's the haircut, Isa? Quiz? Almost done, Isa. So really, officially, that is our Umrah done. Okay, so with that, our Umrah is over. We did Tawaf, we did Safa and Marwa, and finally we cut our hair. So that's everything we need to do. Fasting did make it kind of difficult, but we had really good weather, mashallah, at the start. Very cloudy and nice and pretty cool, actually, compared to how hot it got later. So alhamdulillah, great Umrah. Really, it is a blessing to be so close and to be able to do it. So that is the end, I think. Isa, if you would like to do the honors and cover the camera, you may.
Nice. So
That was cute.
इसमें हमने थोड़ी चीजें मालूम पड़ेगी हमें
7 times.
7 times उधर फिर 7 times सब भागना है, तो ये वीडियो में हमको नई जानकारी
नई
मिली है,
जानकारी।
of course.
दूसरा चीज़ वो माउंटेन भी देखने मिला,
Yes.
क्योंकि वो मुझे नहीं पता था लाइक
अंदर ही mountain है।
अंदर ही माउंटेन है या फिर क्या
बहुत
है,
जबरदस्त।
मतलब वो चीज़ नहीं पता थी। बट
शुरू में जैसे काबा दिखा अंदर एक फीलिंग आ जाती है अच्छे से, ओके।
एक्चुअली पता नहीं यार, मेरे को बहुत
Feel अच्छा
ऐसा,
होता है।
हाँ, अंदर से
जमजम पानी देखने नहीं मिला।
बस हमने वो देखा ना, रमज़ान का महीना ना, तो माइट भी
actually
शाम
पानी
ये होती है ना,
यस, शाम को
दिन में नहीं,
रमज़ान
हाँ,
के
तो
time पे
इसके
ही
लिए
था, of
रमज़ान
course।
के टाइम पे।
बड़ा अच्छा ब्लॉग था, इसमें थोड़ा डिटेलिंग अच्छा था, मतलब
और fun था।
जो चीज हमें पता नहीं थी वो इससे पता
पता चली, दोनों मस्ती कर रहे थे।
बहुत अच्छा,
आई एम फर्स्ट, आई एम सेकेंड।
बहुत बढ़िया,
बहुत अच्छा लगा,
Guys,
राइट।
ऐसे ही प्यारे प्यारे व्लॉग्स हमें भेजते रहिए, तब तक हमारी वीडियो को
लाइक, सब्सक्राइब,
Share, comment.
क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन।
बाय बाय।